Here's how to add a shutter transition in CapCut PC. It's simple and currently free. Let's use those two videos as an example. Drag them into the timeline and arrange them on the same layer. Crop the clips if needed. Go to the Transition tab and search Shutter. You'll see to shutter transitions. Preview both and pick the one you prefer. Drag your chosen transition between the two video clips to apply it. Now your videos have a shutter transition. Click the gray transition box's edges or use the left panel to adjust its duration. That's it. Thanks for watching.